The Hiligaynon word inom means to drink. Ínom. Ínom. Nag-inom siya sang tubig. Nag-inom siya sang tubig, it means he or she drank water. Siya is he or she, and then tubig is water. So nag-inom siya sang tubig. Nagainom sila sang soft drinks. Nagainom sila sang soft drinks. They are drinking soft drinks. Sila is they, and then soft drinks is soft drinks. It's still the same in English. So nagainom sila sang soft drinks. Mag-inom ka sang bulong, you will drink the medicine, or you drink the medicine. It's like an order or a request, or kind of like that. So mag-inom ka sang bulong, you have to drink medicine. Bulong is medicine. Hindi ka mag-inom sang alcohol. You do not drink alcohol or do not drink alcohol. So it can refer here to alcoholic drinks. Hindi ka mag-inom sang alcohol. And that is all for our Hiligaynon word inom, which means to drink. Ínom. Ínom.